here Rakesh Srivastava teaching you maths of class 10th trigonometry. Previous lecture I have told you about the complementary angles relation. Sin 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta sin theta, tan 90 minus theta cot theta, like this. Cosec minus 90 minus theta is sec theta. All correlation, sin cos, tan cot, sec cosec. So on the basis of this, some examples also I have told you. Now I am going to tell you one example. If sin 3a and a minus 26 both are acute, full example given in the book. If sin 3a is a cos a minus 26, find angle A. You apply the rule. Sin 3, sin 90 minus theta is what? What you can write? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. That you write. And you write cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So at the place of sin theta, you can write cos 90 minus theta. Because right side is a cos, so left side you also change into cos. What will you write? So sin will be changed to cos, then this angle will be subtracted from 90 minus 3a. You can write with the help of this. At the place of sin 3a, you can write cos, then this angle will be subtracted from 90 is equal to, right side don't change anything, a minus 26 degree. Both the side trigonometric ratios name is same. Compare the angles. Therefore, 90 minus 3a is equal to a minus 26. Transpose 90 plus 26, a plus 3a. What will you get? 116 is equal to 4a. Then a is equal to 116 by 4. 4 to the 8. 3 left, 36, 4 9 the 36. So a is 29 degree. You are getting. Simply, you can choose the trigonometric cosines according to your choice, according to your requirement. Sin 3a you write cos, then it will be subtracted from 90. If there was cos, you can write sin 90 minus theta. Right side also you can change, but here is 2 term. Then there will be bracket and difficult, so that's why I am changing here. Next example is given. Express tan 58 degree plus sec 55 degree. It is a degrees given more than 45 degree. You express in between the angle 0 and 45. So first of all you write tan 58 degree plus sec 55 degree. Tan will be changed into cot. What will you get? It means this will be subtracted from 90. Cot 90 minus 58 is tan 58 or not? It is a formula. So when the trigonometric name you are changing, ratios name, then the angle will be subtracted from 90. Here you can write plus cosec. Then this will be also subtracted from 55. Now you don't apply the formula again, because now one time you have applied already. Tan converted into cot, now you don't write cot 90 minus 58 again tan 58. Then it will be wrong. If you are changing this, then you can't change the 58. Only you subtract both. After the subtraction, your answer will be 32 degree. Cot 32 degree plus cosec 35 degree. And 32 and 35 lies between 0 and 45. Very simple question. It lies between the 0 and 45. Easily you can solve it. When it is given, you can also write here tan 90 minus 32. Then also your answer. It is a one option. When you change the trigonometric ratio, you subtract. But when you want another option, you can solve this question by this method also. What is the method? you can write tan 58 can be expressed as 90 minus 32 plus sec as it is you write, and here you write 90 minus 35. Both are correct. You change trigonometric cosines, then direct you subtract, or you change the angle in the form of 90. Angle in the form of 90, then 58 will be 90 minus 30. Now it is a 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus theta is cot 32 degree. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec 35 degree. It is act as theta. Here it is acting as a theta, but here it is acting as a digit because theta is here. This you are converting in the form of theta with the tan and cot, but here 32 is converting into theta. There is option. Cot 32 is not here. 58 is converting into form of 90 minus theta. It is the change, difference between this method or this method. You are changing the name, then you subtract the angle from 90. If you are subtracting the angle from the 90 and writing new number, then it will be 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Anyone you choose. If it is look good, you can do this or this. Next question given in exercise 8.3, there is a sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. It is a question number 1 of exercise 8.3. Exercise 8.3. Exercise 8.3. Question number 1. First part. You are getting sin 18 upon cos 72. Sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Out of this, you check whether the sum is 90 or not. 8 plus 2, 10, 7 plus 1, 8, 9. It means anyone you will change. Sin 19 or cos 70. Sin you can write cos. Subtract from 90 minus 18. Already you have changed sin into cos. It means you are subtracting this angle from 90. What will you get? Cos 72 degrees. Same angle you will get what is in the denominator. Now both are equal and your answer is 1. Second part of this. Example 8.3, first question. Tan 26 degree upon cot 64. Tan 26 degree upon cot 64. Again sum of both is 90. 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 2, 8 and 1, 9. So anyone you change, tan will be cot if it will be subtracted from 90. So both the place you are getting, it is a cot 90 minus 26. You subtract like this. If you don't know, then what are you getting? 64 degree. What are you getting? 64 degree. And denominator also cot 64 degree. Then your answer will be 1. Third part. Third part is given. Question number 1, part number 3rd. What is the third? It is given cos 48 minus sin 42. Cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Cos 48 and sin 48 plus 42 again 90. So cos will be changed sin or sin will be changed into cos, anyone. So I am changing this, then you can write sin 90 minus 48. So this is sin 42 degree as it is. Subtract, because you have changed the cos into sin, then angle you are subtracting, not theta. So it is again 42 degree. So what is your answer? Your answer will be 0 because both will be subtracted. Fourth part. Question number 1, fourth part. Cosec 31 minus sec 59. Cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. You can change cosec or sec. Now I am changing sec. Sec you can change into cosec. 90 minus 59. No change in the angle. Direct angle you subtract from 90 because already you have changed the sign into cosec. Sec into cosec. This also change or this anyone. Cosec 31 degree minus cosec 31 degree. Because when you subtract you will get 31. Both are cancelling and you are getting 0. It is the first question over. Second question also given. Second question of this exercise, very easy, which is also you want to find out proof question. There is a 3 parts. First tan 48, tan 23, show that second question, first part. You want to prove tan 48, tan 23, tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree is equal to 1. You want to prove. If you want to prove, then what will you do? Take the LHS of this left hand side. Left hand side you write as it is tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree. You see the digits 48, 23, 42, 67. Out of these, which two are giving you 90? You can check in the rough. 48 plus 42 is 90. 23 and 67 will give you again 90. 48 and 42 will be 90. 23 and 67 will be 90. Now, out of this any one will be changed. Out of this any one will be changed. This is the rough. I am changing this tan. You can write cot 90 minus 48. Tan 23 now I am changing. Writing cot 90 minus 23. But this you don't touch. What is the pair giving you 90? Out of this only one will be changed. So cot 90 minus 48 gives you cot 42 degree because you are applying, already you have applied the formula, only subtraction is left. Into cot 67 degree, this subtract, into tan 42 into tan 67 degree. Now, first day I had told you cot is a reciprocal of tan. You can write it 1 upon tan 42 degree, 1 upon tan 67 degree into this you don't change again, tan 1 upon cot because you want to cancel it. So as it is you write tan 42 into tan 67 degree. You see that this will be cancelled by this is cancelled by this, and your answer is coming 1, which is the RHS. So it is verified, this is equal to 1. Now second part of this question, cos 38 degree, second part. Cos 38 degree cos 38 degree into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 is equal to 0. You want to prove. Now cos 38 into cos 52, 38 plus 52 is what? 90. So any one, 38 you change. Sin 38, sin 52. So LHS you write down. LHS is equal to cos 38 degree cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree sin 52 degree. Both the cos you change. Both the cos or both the sin, because 38 plus 52 will be 180. So here you can write sin 90 minus 38 into sin 90 minus 52. Then don't touch the second part. Sin 38 into sin 52. Now sin 90 minus 38 will be sin 52. And sin 90 minus 52 will be sin 38 minus sin 38 into sin 52. Both are equal, so both will be cancelled and your result is 0. This product AB minus AB, what will you get? 0. That is place only change. Here 38 is the second place, here 38 is the first place. No problem, both are fine. So both the terms will be cancelled, your result is 0. And that's all. 8.3, except 2 questions are over. Rest question 3-4 questions I will tell you in the next period. Thanks for today.